Today we're going to speak about enhanced searching within the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.3 environment. This is a very useful feature which allows administrators to search for a wide number of variables in order to focus in on specific desktops, machine sizes, image types or users that they need to support or focus on within the environment. Within the search bar, we can now, as you can see, search by host name, image version, username or VM size. And our enhanced searching tool also helpfully highlights information when it's found within the console. So, for example, if I only wanted to find machines with a B2 image VM size, I can simply start typing B2, and not only does it focus my view on items which match my search criteria, it also highlights those items so I can quickly see them within the console. Similarly, I can search against usernames to quickly see a list of associated desktops, user sessions, any information that we would quickly want to be able to see from within this console. I hope this information has been useful. Thank you for your time, and we hope to see you again.